Hello everyone, and thank you again for joining us here at the Greensboro Science Center as we talk about how different animals are getting ready for winter. Today I'm going to be talking with Lindsey Zarecky. So Lindsey, what is it that you do here at the Greensboro Science Center?
So I am the Vice President of Conservation and Research, and so I oversee and run all of our research programs and conservation projects.
Awesome. So we are currently involved in a study with bats in the area. So what is that study and who are we currently working with?
So our study, which involves the Science Center and UNCG right down the road, we are looking at how bats use different parts of the forest canopy. So we know that bats that are bigger and maybe less maneuverable tend to fly above or below the tree canopy, and bats that are more maneuverable fly within the canopy. So we have acoustic detectors placed below, within, and above our tree canopy to see how the different species utilize those different locations.
Fantastic. And what else are we doing for bats here at the Greensboro Science Center?
So here at the Greensboro Science Center, we are putting up bat boxes, and those are places for bats to use either overnight, so they actually will go out and eat and then stop and take a nap, get back up and eat again, so they may stop throughout the night, or a place where they can spend the day and actually sleep all day.
All right, and as we get into these colder months, what are bats doing to prepare themselves for the winter?
So North Carolina is a bit unique because we have the mountain area, and in the mountains those bats either migrate out or they go into caves and they spend their winter in a hibernation state. Bats on the coast, because it's a little bit warmer, they may stay active throughout the winter. And here in the Triad and the Triangle area, bats can do both. Some bats will actually migrate out and head south for the winter. Some will use caves or old gold mines nearby, and then others may just curl up in trees or in man-made buildings and just stay the winter there.
All right, so what are some things that people can do around here to help out their local bats?
So bats eat bugs, and they eat all kinds of bugs, and they eat a lot of them. So when you have things like flowering gardens and pollinator gardens, that's going to want to bring in things like small bugs, and that gives bats something to eat. So it's great because you have this wonderful ecosystem where everybody's benefiting. You get pretty flowers, you get bees and butterflies, bats get something to eat. So keeping a healthy ecosystem in your backyard is definitely a way to keep bats happy.
Excellent, I like the sound of that. Well, thank you, Lindsey, for joining us here today, and thank all of you. We look forward to seeing you on your next visit to the Greensboro Science Center.